Hey guys, welcome to Abundant Insight. So, today we're going to talk about the top 5 genius ways to cash in from your couch. And that just means make money from home. So, coming in at number 1, begin by providing services to on job marketplaces. There are sites that do this like Fiverr or TaskRabbit, and they basically just contract you for your work or your expertise. Coming in at number 2, sell handmade crafts or vintage items online. If you're great at creating and making things with your hands, you can definitely start selling them online for a profit. Coming in at number 3, consider tutoring or coaching in your expertise. There are sites out there that allow you to teach whatever you like. A site like teachable.com is a very popular site to use and get started. You can teach cooking, interior design, cutting hair, and the list goes on. Coming in at number 4, try affiliate marketing to earn commissions. Now, this job is great for once you start becoming well known on media platforms. You can then start your journey of affiliate marketing. Sites like YouTube, TikTok, Amazon.com, and even Facebook. These are all excellent sites to explore this option. Okay, guys, last but not least, coming in at the big number 5. Earn passive income with stock photography. If you love the world and love taking pictures, this is a great opportunity to show your work and actually get paid for it. Okay, guys, that was the top 5 genius ways to cash in from the couch at home. If you need any more side hustle ideas, just check out our YouTube channel at Abundant Insight. See you guys later. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.